Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Twillies, bandeaus, thin silk scarves, and different ways that I use them to decorate my bags, wear them, decorate them myself. They're really great, more affordable luxury pieces that can be used in a bunch of different ways. Now, one of the most common ways that you will see Hermes Twilly, or like Hermes says Twilly, Louis Vuitton says Bandeau, Chanel I think just says silk scarf, whatever you want to call it. But one of the most common ways that you see them used, especially with Hermes bags, is wrapped around the handle like this for protection. This is a really sweet way to dress up your bag, change the style of the bag. For example, this is like a very sort of quirky colored bandeau, I would say. And so this totally just changes the whole vibe of the bag and can make it so that a pink bag could match many different outfits. Another really nice thing that you can do with them is just tie a little bow onto a bag. There are more ways that you can play around with this. Here I've created like a little bag charm just by tying a few knots like macrame style and doing a bow at the end. So that's really sweet. But these items are just so versatile and really great price points. One hack that I like to do personally is one that I'm wearing now. So this is a Chanel silk scarf bandeau that I just wrapped around a headband that I already have. And so it looks like a Chanel headband. But the price difference is kind of crazy. So if you bought a true Chanel headband, it'd be like $900, and these are like closer to $500. You can also, of course, wear it tied like this, or as a tie just around the neck. They are first and foremost scarves. Let's get it going the same way. It's like very flight attendant, Parisian, just to do like a little, it's really a sweet sort of look. So that's that. The little knot I did here, the way that I did the bag charm is I just tied a few more of them and then tied a bow. And the headband, the way that that works, I can show you. So you just take, this is just like a plain stony clover headband. I put the scarf over the top of the headband like this, and then just start carefully wrapping it around the scarf. I like the way that this feels and looks better than wearing it just like tied over my head. To me, that is not as comfortable, and also looks a little, it's a different sort of vibe. It can feel like a little bohemian kind of vibe. Okay, and the way that I tie these off is the same way you sort of tie off for the hand, like when you're tying Twilly around a handle, you just create a loop and then you pull the end through the loop like so. And so then you'll have a little fabric at the end, but it'll be behind your ear. And then you do the other side like so, just wrapping and kind of like wrapping your handles. This takes a little practice, but you can get, this is a stony clover headband. You can get a headband like this literally anywhere, Amazon, Target. So there's the finished product, and to put it on, you can see same thing I kind of did with this camellia style headband, but these are like one, you have two different headbands, but you can get two totally different looks by wrapping them around a different shape. And then you see I have this Chanel headband. How cute is that for a fraction of the price? And then this one, and just unwrap it for you and show you. So I tied the little knot at the end. And the fun thing about these scarves is they often are dual-sided. So this is camellias on one side and CC's on the other. So you could do a CC headband one day. You can, change up the look of your bag by putting a bow on it. Other thing that I've seen, I'll just show you here, is to wear it as a cuff. Now, of course, you can just wrap it around your wrist and tie it, which works. I don't like that it will then end with a knot. So what I like to do is fold it in half and hold it like this. Let me get it more in half. Hold on. Okay, fold it in half, you hold the edge, and then you wrap it around your wrist, and you wrap it pretty tight for me, but it will loosen. And then when you get to the end here, you put the two ends through the loop here and kind of pull it tight, and then tuck them in the other end. And then sort of like adjust it. But then this way you don't have like a big knot, but you have like your little CC cuff, which is kind of like edgy and cool. And then the nice thing about a silk scarf is that it does kind of like stretch out as you wear it. So it'll start out tighter, but of course these things loosen. And then to undo it, you just pull the scarf out from it being tucked under your skin. It doesn't really slip off your skin. Silk is just, I don't know, it kind of like adheres to where you put it. So those are the different ways that I like to utilize a little scarf to kind of dress up different looks, change the whole vibe of a purse or outfit, and make my own sort of Chanel headbands using this really sweet product. So I hope this video, while it was like super short and maybe repetitive to some things you've seen before, summarized it all in a different way for you. And I'd love to hear in the comments down below, what are the different ways you like to wear these sorts of scarves? Do you think that they're a fun way to dress up your wardrobe, or do you think they are too much, look kind of silly? That bow didn't really turn out, but you get the idea. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, bye.